Hi, I'm Lucinda Miller and I'm so excited because today my book, The Good Stuff, is published. This draws from over 20 years of experience working with wonderful families and their gorgeous kids. It all started when my health was restored from a few very small dietary changes from a person who really knew what I needed at that time. I was totally hooked and started training straight away. Roll on a few years, lots of studying, 3 kids later, and a whole load of experience as a naturopath, and here it is. Parenthood isn't always easy, and getting your kids to eat the food that you lovingly cooked can be even harder. You don't need me to tell you that. I've learned some clever tricks from my kids and from the thousands of kids that I've looked after in my clinic over the years. Parents get so many mixed messages about what healthy food really is. So I've put together some of the most up-to-date nutritional research and show you how to nourish your little ones' brains and bodies, and also practically how to do that in your kitchen. I share what to buy, what to avoid, and how to persuade your little monkeys to eat up. I share some great ways to hide good nutrition in the things they will eat and slowly help you to wean them off the real nasties. Plus amazingly delicious recipes that are easy to make, and your kids will love the look of them as well as the taste. But it's not just about them. You need to enjoy it too and set a great example to your kids. And guess what? You're going to love them too.